Lightning strikes on the Earth 100 times every second. That's 3 billion times every year. This means your chances of being struck by a lightning aren't low. This is why it is important to learn how to protect yourself from it.
Hello. Today, I am going to teach you how to avoid getting struck by a lightning.
Pay attention to the weather.
Stay home if possible.
Sleep tight.
Check the weather before heading outdoors.
Avoid open areas and tall objects. Avoid taking shelter in tall places, such as this tree, otherwise you will die.
What a beautiful day. This boat is made of metal. Cool.
Fourth step. Remember that this step is very important. Take shelter in a car. I didn't die because the lightning traveled through in the car and around my body, and then safely into the ground.
These were the steps to how to avoid getting struck by a lightning. Now, I will teach you what happens when you get struck by a lightning. In the worst case you die. The shock can also injure you indirectly by touching a surface and then going through your leg. This does not necessarily kill you, but it depends on the person. 70 to 90% of victims survive.
I'm fine, I just hurt my leg.
I hope you learned your lesson, kids.